Hi friends, and welcome to day 2 of introductions for Mama Elephant's March 2025 release. Today we are introducing We Ride and its coordinating creative cuts. We are also introducing Windy Landscape Road creative cuts. Let's take a look at the stamped images. This set features 4 different types of critters with matching super cute cars. There are also a bunch of different sentiments as well as some accessories in this set. For today's coloring, I chose a couple of bright colors for the cars. You can find the Copic color numbers I used in the description below. And of course we add some white gel pen accents. And that finishes the coloring for today. Now let's take a look at the windy landscape road creative cuts. This die cuts out a road that is fit perfectly for a landscape type card, but as you can see, you can also use it for the other way round if you just shuffle it around and cut some edges. For my card today, I used one of the Eyelet frames and I decided to cut down the road a little to fit my scene. Next, I'll show you how I ink blended the different panels as well as the road. I used Distress Oxide in Spun Sugar to color the edges pink. Once that was done, I wanted to make the center green to resemble grass. For this, I use a combination of different Distress Oxide colors. I used Bundled Sage, Shabby Shutters, as well as Rustic Wilderness. The reveal after pulling off the masking tape is always my favorite part. I used my Distress Oxide swatches to choose colors for the road. In the end, I decided I wanted to go with Tattered Rose and Tea Dye. I have a standard sized white card base and I'm overlaying it with a border of this nice blue plaid paper. In this case, I just wanted to save the middle of the paper for a different project. Now it's time to put everything together, and I'm starting with the main panel, which I'm popping up with some foam tape. As you can see, I stamped one of the sentiments from the set off screen. Next, I'm gluing down the road with some liquid glue. To fill in my scene, I colored up a couple of the trees that are included in the Deliver Winter Joy set. Next, we can add in our super cute cars. After adding some finishing touches, our card is done. And just look at how cute this card turned out. I absolutely love it. I hope you've enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release is available from the 15th of March, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 3 of introductions. Bye!